Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome to the video. Now today we are going to cover engine bay detailing. So I've shown you exactly how I deep clean an engine bay and make it looking amazing again. So let's get started. So first cover the battery, fuse box and alternator with plastic bags to prevent water damage, and make sure your engine oil cap is tight and your dipstick is in place properly. I'm going to be using engine cleaner and diable wheel cleaner mixed with water to get rid of those oil and dirt. Spray your solution on the engine bay and use a brush to agitate it. And rinse it with water and spray your solution on the inside of the hood. AMD scrub it and rinse with water. When you are done, remove those plastic bags. And use a cloth to dry the engine bay. You can use trim dressing to make those plissage looks cleaner and to protect it. So this is going to be it for this video. If you like it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace out.